Hello everyone, the chart guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders, we narrowed down what the most sought after information was, and we created this course, Entry and Exit Strategies. It's over 5 hours in length, and we go over different signals that the charts tell us for when to buy and when to sell. If you are the kind of trader that is still looking at charts and not realizing what it is trying to tell you, still feeling a little bit overwhelmed, this course is designed to alleviate that uncertainty. So the course outline, we're going to go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, recognizing the different indicators signaling bullish and bearish entries, being able to identify support and resistance levels, poor entries where traders make mistakes and how to avoid them, exit target, knowing where to sell your positions, where to place stop losses to keep those losses minimal, my personal preparations, how I get ready for the trading day, and then piecing it all together, looking back at everything we just learned and applying it to the real world. As a bonus, we'll also look at an intro to finding entries and exits with patterns, and you'll recognize these patterns on all kinds of time frames throughout the stock world, so certainly beneficial to be able to trade off of those as well. So we hope you will check out this course, and again, we feel it will build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge that experience will build off of and send you on the right direction to making more profitable trades. Checking in on Apple, and this was an extremely strong end of the week for the bulls. Pretty much couldn't have asked for a better scenario. What we have now is, after the dump from the election reaction, we have a bounce high, our higher low, and now a higher high. This is a very good sign for the bulls, getting above the 50-day moving average resistance. We closed literally on the upper Bollinger Band of the penny. No coincidence there, in my opinion. A little bit of an upper wick of profit taking, but again, after the 3-day move we've seen, bulls will absolutely take it. Nice increase in volume, especially with a decreased volume market day. SPY saw some fairly significant less volume than the past 2 days, but the Apple bulls were here. On the weekly time frame, look at the test of this middle Bollinger Band. This is a very key level going forward now because we've held it 4 of the last 5 weeks. Nice lower wicks bouncing off of it. We pulled back, established the higher low off that level, and we're at the highest price we've seen now in the past 5 weeks. That's very significant. And we're really just looking up at these levels 117.76, 118.08, the highest price we've seen in 2016. So you can see how significant this action is for the bulls. And checking back in on the daily, you can pick out some resistance levels still here. The high of Friday, 114.70, 115.27, and then we start filling the gap to 116.71. So very strong for the bulls. Let's check in on the 5-minute time frame and see that strength on the shorter term. Look at that first candlestick right out of the gate. That is as strong as you can get. Right off the 20-period moving average, consolidation, continuation, pullback, consolidation was on decreasing bear volume, no big red flags, lower high, higher low, lower high, tightening range. There was a bear trade here. We had some members take that short-term bear trade, and really there wasn't much opportunity trading Friday, day trading at all. And this was one of them, just because we had this low of consolidation, 113.91, and as soon as we broke that level, we broke the higher low pattern, and you can see the candlestick that responded to that, then a little bear flag, then another drop. Bulls did recover and saw some strength into the end of the day, and even on that pullback right at the close, we did see bulls buy that dip. So some bear volume there at the end, but just keeping that price around the upper Bollinger Band on the daily. That will be a key resistance level to update on Monday first thing and watch what that price is at. And it's currently at 113.95, so it should be in the mid 114s on Monday. Hourly time frame for Apple. So there's your bull breakout. There's your consolidation, normal and healthy. Looks like a bull flag. We didn't get the continuation confirming that it's a bull flag, but certainly looking at the volume of that consolidation compared to the volume of the breakout favors the bulls in a big way. We haven't even touched the 20-period moving average support on the hourly time frame since we had some extended hours touch that level, but bulls are in full control of Apple, and it is one of the strongest names in the techs, and it is one of the strongest names from the group that we call the election dumpers that all took a hit after November 8th. So we'll see how much momentum the bulls have going forward. Weekly middle Bollinger Band will be a key support from here, and we will check back in soon. Have a great rest of your weekend.